Okay, so in this video, we're going to see how to use the Contacts Hovercard feature in Google, a feature Google has just released for the Gmail. Basically, what it does that it will allow you to see the members of a particular email group or email list. So in this example, I have this email that was sent to the upper school faculty list, and as you will see that once I bring my cursor or mouse point over the upper word, it pops down a list with all the members of the upper school faculty list. And once I bring my mouse right here below where the plus sign is, it will open up the actual page for the groups and will give me more details about who the members are. So this is it really. It's a new feature Google has just released yesterday. A very useful feature that a lot of people have been asking about for some time. And Google, being what they are, they have listened to the customer and have come up with this new feature, which I'm sure a lot of people will find very, very beneficial. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact me. Thank you.